Here we have the easy riddle, and a man putting compost in the middle. He's shaying it through without much toil, filling his wheelbarrow with finely sieved soil. Now he's using a traditional riddle, but it's quite a strain on his back and his middle. So he's having a go at bouncing it about, but the edges aren't deep, so the lumps bounce out. They land back in the barrow, on the dog and the grass. Perhaps there's an easier way to tackle this task. It's back to the easy riddle. Let's see it in action. It's lightweight and deep, but the greatest attraction is the way that he's sieving with effortless ease. We can't see his face, but I bet you he's pleased. The up and down action isn't much of a strain. He's making finely sieved soil with no aches and no pains. He's gently rolling the sides up and down. The lumps stay put and don't bounce around. He easily discards the lumps in his bucket and decides at last it's time to chuck it. This fold-flat riddle is all that he needs to make finely sieved soil for his plants and his seeds.